So I'm Aiden and this is my brother Noah. And we're gonna make Play-Doh. This is the fruit coloring. This is the salt. And this is the flour. And this is the tartar. And this is the oil. And this is the cookie cutters. And those are the bags.
Okay. So tell us the first steps.
The first step is a name.
You gotta mix what? What's the first thing you put in the flour?
This.
Okay, so show us. Do it. Good job. It's not all finished.
I did it.
All right.
I did it.
Now take the big spoon. No, in this one. Right there. And stir. Yep, there you go. Look at you.
It's really soft.
Keep stirring until it's mixed all in. All right, now take a spoon of the oil.
This?
Mm-hmm.
This?
Yes.
This?
Yes. Get the cup. Hold the cup.
Oh. Ew. Pour it in. The whole thing.
Aiden, you cannot be asking me questions. You supposed to be
Should
doing
I
this.
pour the
I
whole
don't know
thing?
what you supposed to be doing. Look, I'm recording.
I want to do it.
Yeah, here. You can pour the whole thing. Good job.
Oh no.
All right.
Stir.
No, use the big spoon. Okay, so now I have the hot water, so I'm gonna pour a little bit in there. Woo! Sorry. Okay, there we go.
There.
Hold the bowl. Pour some more.
Cookie cutters. What cheese?
Noah, look what you're doing. You're making a mess.
Let me help.
It's hard sometimes.
So if it's still hard, that means we need to add a little bit more water.
What's the trick? It's a magic trick, guys. It's okay. Daddy, it's gonna be pretty soft. Is it soft?
Okay, you keep stirring.
We need to wash our hands. Oh, there we go.
There you go. Noah, look. Look what you guys are making.
There you go. Yeah, baby. We super. Looks like dough already. No. Okay. Whoa.
Making a mess.
I know I'm making the heart. That's it. Now you're dropping the heart on yourself. That's it. It looks already like dough.
It does. But
2-year-old.
it's consistency. So we're gonna add just a tad more salt.
No. Then we're going to start.
Keep stirring.
Oh no.
Keep stirring.
More.
So I can help this boy.
You're supposed to get your hands in there.
Now let's try it.
Okay, you touch it with your hand and tell me what you feel.
I feel like dough.
Feel like dough?
I'm gonna touch it.
It's still too sticky, so we want it to get a little bit firmer.
Ow. How am I going to clean this out?
It's alright.
Ooh. Wow, wow. Okay guys, our Play-Doh is ready. Now we're about to put it in a bag and squish it so it could be Play-Doh.
Go. Noah, get some and put it in the bag. Good job. There you go.
Now can I put it?
No, we're gonna put the rest in bags first, so you can know which food coloring you're using. You don't want to mix. Okay, Noah, get some more. Put some more in there.
And get this. Yeah. It's in there.
Come on, Noah, you need to put a little bit more. Maybe help your brother out.
Oh yeah.
The guy's in there.
Noah, get this one.
What? Ginormous.
I won't put it aside. Oh, both of them.
Oh, look at that. Teamwork. All right. Noah, you ready to put your food coloring, or you want to put some more in the bag?
No, there's no. Hold this side. No, this side. We're about to put more.
Good job.
Yeah.
All right, now each of you can pour one food coloring in one bag.
Okay. Open it.
Whoa.
That's enough.
Just pour a little bit. Just a little, Aiden. One. No, you're going to do 5 drops.
1, 2, 3.
All right, that's enough because you have a small amount. Let's see. All right, you can squish it.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it is here.
I need it.
Okay, Noah, you ready? Let's put some green.
Oh, there we go. I'm going to turn it.
We're going to do 1, 2,
Don't turn it so much,
3,
it'll pop the bag.
4, 5. Oh, all right, Noah. Squish it.
Good.
Squish the bag, baby. Squish the Play-Doh.
It's moving around. I'm rolling him.
Do this.
Just to roll him in the thing.
Do you need to add some more coloring?
I need more coloring.
Here, let's add some more.
Whoa, it's green.
Almost.
Now.
Squish it again.
Oh, guy. What? Purple. I need more purple.
I need more blue. I need blue. I need blue in here. I need some blue in here. I need some blue in here.
This is so it won't explode if I squish it. Hiya, hiya, hiya,
I want some blue in
I'm
here.
rubbing him. Okay, guys, here's our Play-Doh.
Here's our Play-Doh.
And now we're going to play with it.
Whoa! I made it my hand Play-Doh. Look at my hand.
Let's do the
My hand. Now for this one. Oh, I did it! Mommy! I did that! It's an airplane!
That's a witch hat.
Ooh.
It's a witch.
Witch hat. Whoa! Look at that! And now for the
True thing. Time to lift it up. I ripped it and now it's time to lift it. What? I have to take it away from. Thank you for watching.
It's
Don't
blue.
forget to subscribe. Bye.
Hello, bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Do that.
Bye.